Catalin Abejo.
Hi everyone, my name is Isabel Hamlan.
And we are a third year students from a Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
So for you, what is photojournalism?
So for me, photojournalism is more than just taking pictures. It is a way of telling real stories through photographies. A single pictures can show what happened, what people experience, and why a certain moment is important.
Oh my God! Wow!
So for you,
So for me is where design in the first place. I thought taking picture is just a picture, but I learned that photojournalism is very helpful because it's not only taking a picture, but it show how really story, also it's not just about it's a good picture, but it's also to showing the reality happen.
yeah.
And of course, one of my biggest learning is that photojournalism or photojournalist is should be tell the truth, of course, and we should not replace sa mga, especially sa mga tao or situation para lang sa ikachanta lang.
Kung saan na-take, na na-take. So for me also, one of my biggest learning for this subject is the photojournalism has a responsibility to tell the truth. So we should consider also accuracy,
Yes.
fairness, and respect, especially when photography people or sensitive situation.
Yeah. Especially for
The situation
sensitive
that
people, di ba?
So for me, this subject also changed the way I look at photography kay sa una man gyud is taking picture lang ta. Dili ta ka we cannot edit like pamday nga mga exposure nga mga kato ang mga lens nga
Diba,
kailangan
hindi mo nila to baguhon.
nga kanang pwede di we can focus nga oneself lang nga sa isa ka single photo nga na mga lain-lain terms na mga unsa pa nga mga angle. So before I mostly focus on whether a picture are beautiful or clear and lang now. So now I also asked myself, so what story does this photo tell? And it is showing the situation truthfully.
In photojournalism it's really important the photo, not just kanang siya lang siya tanaw. One of the example of that is kanang mga accidents, di ba? Kanang mga nahitabo sa dalan or even nga about sa life, ano ta, okay? For me man jud I learned that kanang naay story every photo na, not just like a picture lang. Every
Moments, memories.
Paano masabi?
And also the emotion, di ba? Makita ba mo ang emotion sa picture?
So, for you, as a communication student, as a nanay learned about sa photojournalism, how you can apply this one?
So I can apply this one as a communication, and also I learned that it's very important in terms of about sa news, di ba, sa mga mga scenario, and also to mag-provide kag information sa social media nga kung siya accurate gid siya kanang tinuod kanang mismo imuha jud ang originality ba, and also to kanang
Like sa karon nga generation, mas more on ata sa mga photo.
and especially pag na yung mga AI diba, may mga AI nga photo.
Dapat kabaluta unsa ang real photos sa AI nga photos karon.
O ato dapat nakita gid nato yung ma-identify it is AI siya.
So we can apply in a campaign,
Yeah.
fake news, sa social media. But so as a communication, we need the truth.
Yes. Always gina siya.
Yes.
Hindi na siya mawala.
If the sun refused to shine.